Anyone who knows anything about presentation software has likely heard of Microsoft PowerPoint, the most popular presentation software application out there. Well, here in Google Docs, it's good to know that we can upload PowerPoint presentations right into Google Docs and work on them. That's what we're going to do in this lesson. So if you've got the exercise files, you can follow me to the Upload button here in our Google Docs homepage. From here, we're going to browse to the exercise files folder using the Browse button. But if you had a presentation that was on the web, you could actually enter the URL of the file on the web and choose a name for it, and then choose Upload File from down here. But we're going to browse to our exercise files, which is on our computer, so stored locally. In the exercise files folder, you'll find one called KS Orientation 1, and notice the extension is PPT. That's a PowerPoint presentation. Now, one of the things you can do in PowerPoint is save your presentations to a show on the go, as they call it, where you don't need to have PowerPoint to view the presentation. In that case, you'll see a PPS extension for slideshow. And either of those formats are uploadable here in Google Docs. The newest version of PowerPoint will see an extension of PPTX. Is not ready for Google Docs yet. So if you do have the latest version of PowerPoint, you'll need to save your presentation in this older format, PPT or PPS, to be able to upload it into Google Docs. With it selected, I click the Open button, which inserts it into the Browse field here. Now all I have to do is click the Upload File button to upload it into Google Docs. Two things happening here. My local file is being uploaded to the secure server here in Google Docs. The other thing that's happening is it's opening up for me to work on it. So here you can see there's 5 slides in this presentation. And as I click on the slide thumbnails here in the left-hand pane, I get to see the contents over here on the right. And of course, I can modify those contents. Here where it says Introductions on slide 3, this is a text box. This graphic over here can be selected and modified. I could resize it, delete it. Same thing for this graphic down below. You can see there's a certain background that's being used. So I've got a theme or a background scheme that makes this look very attractive. And as I go through the various slides, you can see there are different kinds of elements. Here's a table, and you can see each one of these is a mini text box to make it look like a table. As I go to slide 4, where I've got the organization chart, these are text boxes as well that can be modified just by clicking in them and changing the contents. I'm going to click outside any selected objects and go back to slide 1. So uploading a file is pretty simple stuff, and now you've got it in Google Docs to do whatever you want with it. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about just uploading specific slides from a presentation to add them to a new presentation. That's coming up next.